It's early May now, and we've nearly finished the temple. We just had this floor that we wanted to put in, and we decided on these decking tiles that are on special offer at IKEA. And they're supposed to go on decking, really, but we're not actually going to be walking on them. We're just going to have plants on them. And we thought we'd just lay them on soil and be a bit cheap and cheerful, just to brighten the area up. The other thing I've been doing is the chauffeurs on the end of the building, and I've just sort of drew some rough patterns out and sprayed them gold, and hopefully this will finish off the roof. We've been doing quite a lot of painting actually. We had the roof of the temple to do, and which we've painted this green. It's quite bright, but it's quite a sort of authentic Thai colour. And we've been painting these trellises which we bought to go around the windows on the patio, and we're hoping to have a black theme on the patio with the archway and trellis that I put up in the last video, painting that black as well to finish the effect off. We're eventually going to paint all of our pots black. We painted them a different colours a couple of years ago, but we're going to go just for a black theme, because we've seen it online on other gardens, and I think it's really quite effective with the foliage. The other big job I've been doing is ripping out this front border. We've tried different things here. I had these Liniceras as tiki heads, but they're too floppy, and they got tinged up with the frost a couple of years ago and never really recovered. And we decided just to rip the whole lot out and put in some shady plants, some fatsias and that type of thing. Well, one thing we are going to try though is putting some bananas on the end. It gets a little bit of afternoon sun, and I don't think they'll do well, but I've got my heart set on having bananas either end of the border, and we've got this couple of bananas out the back which we're just going to transplant and see how they do. If they struggle, we'll move them somewhere else.